Before we begin, if you're serious about mastering trading psychology and mindset, consider subscribing. This channel brings you the most powerful trading books, broken down clearly for focused learners like you. Now, let's get into Trading for a Living by Dr. Alexander Elder, a true classic for developing real trading discipline. The Three Pillars of Trading. Dr. Elder explains that successful trading stands on three essential pillars: psychology, trading tactics, and money management. Most traders only focus on strategies and indicators. But without the right mindset and risk control, even the best strategy will eventually fail. Elder says it's like a three-legged stool. Remove one leg and the whole structure collapses. Control your mind, or the market will do it for you. One of Elder's core messages is simple. Your biggest enemy in trading is your own mind. Emotions like fear, greed, and hope cloud judgment. You may know your system, but under pressure, emotions can push you to abandon it. Elder compares this to flying a plane. Pilots are trained to stay calm and follow procedures, no matter what. As a trader, you must do the same. Emotional trading leads to random results. Disciplined trading creates consistency. Become a professional, not a gambler. Elder emphasizes the difference between amateurs and professionals. Amateurs treat trading like a game. They chase profits, take random trades, and risk too much. Professionals treat it like a business. They focus on process, manage risk, and review performance. If you're trading for excitement, you're gambling. But if you're trading with structure, you're building a profession. The shift in identity from gambler to risk manager is what transforms your results. Use technical analysis as a tool, not a crutch. Dr. Elder explains that indicators are helpful but not magic. They should be used to confirm your understanding of market structure, not to blindly trigger trades. He shares the triple screen trading system, a method that combines trend analysis from a longer time frame, oscillator signals from a medium time frame, and precise entry setups from a shorter time frame. This approach filters out weak trades and forces you to consider multiple layers of confirmation. Bottom line, use tools wisely and always think for yourself. Risk management, the lifeblood of trading. Elder insists that risk management is what separates winners from losers. You must protect your capital at all costs. His rule is clear: never risk more than 2% of your account on a single trade. That means using stop losses and calculating position size carefully. One bad trade should never wipe out your month. He also talks about tracking your equity curve. A smooth rising equity curve means you're managing risk well. Wild swings mean you're out of control. Your goal is not to hit jackpots, it's to stay in the game long enough for your edge to work. Journaling, your trading mirror. Most traders don't journal. That's why they keep making the same mistakes. Elder says your trading diary is your mirror. It shows you what's really going on. You should log what you saw, why you entered, how you felt during the trade, what the result was, what you learned. Over time, this journal becomes your most powerful teacher. You'll discover your emotional patterns, your strongest setups, and the reasons behind every loss. Without a journal, you're flying blind. The psychology of crowds and market behavior. Markets move because people move them, and people are emotional. Elder explores mass psychology, how fear and greed drive crowd behavior. When everyone is euphoric, tops are often near. When panic is widespread, bottoms are forming. He teaches traders to look for divergence between indicators and price. For example, if price is making higher highs, but momentum is weakening, the rally might be running out of steam. Understanding crowd behavior helps you step away from the herd, and that's where the edge lies. Discipline beats brilliance. Elder is clear. Discipline matters more than intelligence or strategy. Even an average system, if executed with discipline, can outperform a brilliant system executed emotionally. Discipline means taking trades only when all conditions are met, accepting losses quickly, and moving on. avoiding overtrading out of boredom or revenge. Most traders lose not because their strategy is bad, but because they fail to follow it consistently. Elder says, make discipline your core trading skill. Real trading is boring, and that's a good thing. Contrary to what social media shows, real trading isn't thrilling. Elder says that if your trading is exciting, you're probably doing something wrong. True trading is structured, repetitive, and sometimes even boring. That's because it's about following your plan, not chasing adrenaline. Your job is to sit on your hands when there's no setup and act decisively when there is. Boredom in trading is a sign of maturity, not weakness. Why most traders fail? Elder doesn't sugarcoat it. Most traders fail because they don't take the game seriously. They risk too much. They lack preparation. They don't review their trades. They chase excitement. He warns that success in trading comes from the same things that bring success in any field: consistency, self-awareness, structure, learning from mistakes, long-term thinking. If you treat trading like a hobby, it will pay you like one. But if you treat it like a business, it can become a powerful path to freedom. Final takeaway: master yourself to master the market. At the heart of Elder's message is this: your success in trading comes down to mastering yourself. The market will always be uncertain, news will surprise you, price will fluctuate, but your mindset, discipline, and risk management are completely under your control. When you stop trying to control the market and start controlling your actions, everything changes. So study the market, yes, but study yourself even more. Because in trading, your real edge is not your strategy, it's your psychology. If this summary brought you value, pass it on. Share it with another trader who's working to improve. And if you're learning here, you're already ahead of the crowd. See you in the next video.